Hey, Wallace, you know, yesterday they shut up Butta car last night. Butta champion. you know, hear about it? Jesus Christ. Yes. I that me get up on here. But me I wonder say, if Butta know that, cause last time Butta check the report car. So, me wanna know if Butta really know that.
At Total Wireless, we got your back every day. Just look at
Banana Universe.
You one line for twin.
The Banana Universe, that Friday, we can go there, don't kill it, don't. I place them, don't go. Don't sir. We can go, don't go sit down on table and have dinner. My Universe, you know. That do me good.
Month when you bring your own phone, that's 50% off the base 5G unlimited plan. Not bad. We locked your price for 5 years. Stay home. So back those guys, right? Get the facts. Then switch to Total Wireless. Gotcha. What?
People that stop text me. I lock up the phone here. It come like say, you know, we part of it. Right, R.I.P. you know. Call a bum buckler like you know, check up on me ask me good no cause no, me no good. Me want car. Me want rum. Me want hog steel and they sitting there. But you know, check up on me and ask me if me good. But you hear rumors at the time cause you don't want postman. That you don't want to do, you know. You don't want postman. You don't get to post me, you know. Me a post in the first, you know.
Alright, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We are blessed. And you also know the story incomplete of Kingmixup in on the beat. And as you can see on the screen, Butta is dissing a hombre with bread. Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. Because nobody, not and especially not broke boy, can come disrespect me. You see my people. Yeah. We get some news earlier today from one of our credible sender them saying that them knock up Butta at the same club where Joe and World Dog and them they get into some vibes and you know Joe lose him life that night then. You know what I mean? So you know we're taking our business to TikTok now, so we go up on TikTok and say anybody know this individual, let him know that this is what's being said and can come over here so I forward us and deny. I confirm it. So I'm telling me if I slide under my mother, so I just deal with him how I'm supposed to deal with him, you know what I mean? Because he was getting upset that I was telling people, if you have a friend that's run off with $2,500, don't look at it as an L. Look at it as a laugh. You see what I say? And that get up in them feelings. But nevertheless, as you can see, the sender said, them knock up Butta this morning. You see what I say? Or last night at the club. You know what I mean? As I said, this person is credible because they're the one that let me know the 411 when Joe did pass. As you can see, these are the DMs. You see what I say? These are the crime scene footage before the news people was there. You know what I mean? So we get the next DM saying that, you know, the story with Butta is not true. But them security guard at the club did, you know, touch Butta brother vehicle by accident because it was in some type of ting with another, you know, individual. You see my people, so my sender, the original sender wasn't too far off, you feel me? Yeah, so I'm not going like say I have name and the only name we have out here for him is some broke boy business, you see me? But nevertheless, I'm gonna talk about some things from, you know, whatever, so we'll listen to what he has to say and proceed at the end.
You cash out and go buy rum today, watch. Nobody have no paper where me can cash out pan because the paper where I use, the people them fall out with me through me not on social and take back them paper. So now me have look money in a TikTok fan when and me can't get it out because people them take away them paper. But me need a paper if anybody have none can lend me so me can cash out. Me give you $25 out of it. Yeah. I don't really know, you know. I don't want to log in. When I don't cash out, you can log in back. I don't want to check the transaction. That's what I do. So, I tell you. Everybody has no paper. But I wait to get me. No, man. I really think, man. I contact social security place, you know. Why do you ever get a social, you know? Because I go look at work. But I bring my son social. But then tell me the social are too young. So I ask them when I could get one for myself. So I contact the place. They say I have a contact on immigration place. But the place I'm afraid of. I don't want to go there. Yeah, so I don't really want to. I told you that to what? No, if you don't give you $225 to use the paper, they will give me a social security to use to come here to file back tax here. So anyhow, give me a social, your paper if you use for $250, you have to give me a social, you have to file tax here. Yeah, so nobody feel like you can't scam me, boy, you know. You don't think me don't know money? If people ain't think about them paper, they change that night for me. Yeah, man, I want to put on gun and come fight me, man. Long time I don't bust up a boy here, man, I can't see a couple of days, man. One right hand. One cold right hand, one get boy right here and left here, man. Yeah, man. You can't see a couple of days, but remember, say, butter. Bash up your face. Don't bust a boy here, man. I never got back to land. I never got back to land. We got any case strokes today and there yesterday, you know? So anybody over here can give me something? My granny case strokes today and there yesterday, you know, man. I beg you something. I have to go to Jamaica. I'm going to go to Jamaica, I have to go pay back for cross the border again. Come back up here. I'm not going to pay back. I have to go to funeral. So anybody over here can give me something? What do you say you're wicked, bro? Come on for fake page, dog. Please. Come on for fake page. You know, DM on fake page. You know, comment on fake page. What kind of man or girl you know be? What kind of man or girl you know be? Eh? No come off no man. No come on no man. What kind of man or girl you know be, bro? Bro, I well want to come on. Bro, no friend if you come out and show in the face so we can come in the night. I want to buy first goat for you know. I want to buy first goat because I come in the night and drink soup in the funeral. Yeah, man, I help you in a blood clot gun. I cry for you too. Yeah, man, just show in the face. Stop it. Stop it, man. Stop it. Stop it, no, man. Stop it, no, man. No, stop it, no, man. No, stop it, no, man. See, no life, brother. People fear people who they can't fear. And people fear that people who don't have to fear that. So, no, stop it, no, man. Yeah, that people fear people who they can't fear, you know. So, you know, things that you can't fear me, fake fear or not, no, that would never happen. But what? People fear people who they have to fear. So, you don't have to fear me. So that's why I have to hide. Boom, buckler. You see that? It's so easy. You big up your damn self. It's so easy. Come on, we're going to give a blood clot box. On focus, but there's something going on. Look why they focus on. Yeah, but.
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. Anyway, people, we're not going to listen longer, you know. Bless.